And he did.
We often think of Henry and Cromwell as a reforming team.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, south central Burke County in western North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Morganton, or 6 miles southwest of South Mountain State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bellwood, Lawndale, Fallston, Keyser, South Mountain State Park, Pleasant Grove, Cooksville, Vale, Probst, and Polkville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Catawba, Cleveland, Lincoln, and Rutherford.
With